Hey, what's up? It's Angel here. And guess what? We're about to hit up the Windy City, the Shy, Chicago. It's gonna be straight up fire. Let's roll out and make some memories. Welcome back to our channel. Keep it locked right here, cause we're about to drop some epic content. And hey, don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring that bell, so you won't miss any of our wild adventures. As we head south on Michigan Avenue, we spot the legendary Chicago Water Tower. It's like a medieval castle standing tall since 1869, one of the few buildings that survived the Great Chicago Fire. This iconic spot is surrounded by buzzing streets, ritzy shops, and sleek skyscrapers. You can hit up the John Hancock building and get a ticket to the observation deck on the 94th floor. Cruising south on Michigan Avenue, we roll up to the DeSable Bridge, the gateway to Chicago's heart. The views here straight breathtaking. Deep the Chicago River sparkling below is a vibe. And if you make it out here on St. Patrick's Day, the city dyes the river green. You can dip down to the Riverwalk where the eats are as good as the scenes. And you can't miss the architecture tour. It's a floating class of coolness, showcasing Chi-Town's sky-high masterpieces from a whole new angle. Trust, seeing is believing. Alright peeps, we're still cruising south, and boom, Millennium Park hits us with its magic. First up, we spot the iconic Cloud Gate, but we call it the Bean. This shiny, bean-shaped wonder reflects the city's dope skyline. Next, we stroll over to the Buckingham Fountain in Grant Park. The fountain isn't just any fountain, it's one of the largest in the world. Grant Park isn't just a fountain. It's this massive green space where concerts, festivals, and all sorts of cool events go down. We keep the South Loop trek going, and bam! We hit the legendary Field Museum. This place is a time capsule of epic proportions. Think massive dinos, ancient treasures, and secrets of civilizations long gone. We dive into the Shed Aquarium. It's an underwater kingdom, man. Get ready to be face to fin with some of the coolest aquatic critters. Yo team, that's a wrap for today, but trust me, the Shy still got mad tricks up its sleeve.